Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today working on my new folding layout of new Leycastle once again. I still haven't fixed the switches here, so do ignore that. If anybody remembers from last video, I need to sort out the wiring still, but I think I've worked out the issue. But I figured in the meantime we'll just press on with the layout and I'll sort the wiring out in the background. But yeah, today's video is we'll be working on the landscape of the layout. So I've drawn all the where everything should live for the scenery, just so I can get a picture of where things should be. But let's have a look at the plan here. Do ignore these houses. I've decided I'll ignore them. But yeah. So yeah, the station obviously is going to be over here because that's where the station corner will be. Since it's called New Leycastle, I'm going to have a little castle ruin over here. Hopefully it'll be all nicely to fit in. And sorry if you hear any thunder in the background. It's currently torrential rain outside. So yes. We'll have a little high street here coming after the hill, which is where the tunnel will be for the corner here. So I've got a little hill going down there. I've got a little side street here. Back here is going to be something like a park, hopefully, if there's enough space. Building sizes, I'm roughly estimating in my head. There should be enough space. That one should be alright, hopefully. That's the goods shed. That's not going to be as big as that. It's going to be much smaller. These two are just going to be sidings, so not inside of the shed. It's probably going to be a fair amount smaller than planned, but we'll see what we can do. Houses here, terraced houses down there. Again, that's not going to be there. That's going to be a field, maybe a football field. Don't know what. At least some sort of sports field. Shops and flats above them on this road corner. Going to be a lot more than I thought. So yep, there's going to be a lot of shops. And off in this this part of the layout, that's going to be semi-detached houses and also a little sports pavilion. Maybe a or is it going to be a Boy Scout or Guide's hut? Maybe mixed use. Don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, just a little hut over there. But that's not going to be this video. Today is just the landscape. So over here, hill, small little mound here. Maybe make the field at least a perimeter. Maybe some lumpy bits of soil, something to add a little bit of unevenness. We'll see how that goes. And obviously over here is going to be the big hill. Station, not going to be a hill, obviously, but I will be padding it out with cardboard just so that when I add the top to it, it'll be a lot more easier. And the castle ruins will be on a hill as well. Anyway, that is the plan today. I'll probably try and get the roads in as well, just so that it looks a lot bit where you can at least see the roads. The tunnel entrances I plan to 3D print. I haven't designed them yet, but they're planned because I want to make them a bit more built for purpose. So yeah, I'll be leaving them for now, and there's some more thunder there. But most of the cardboard will be used here and filling up the station as well, just to make it padded out. But yeah, so that's the plan. And so I have worked out how tall I need to make it. So 1 inch here, 2 inch here, and going to be curving down like that, snaking around. Maybe starting off a bit more here. Anyway, I'm going to stop yapping on and actually get to work. So I'll see you in a bit. Hopefully the thunder will, and lightning, well, I don't know if there's lightning, but hopefully the thunder will stop soon. So I'll see you in a bit. Right, here we are with the work so far done. I know it doesn't really look like too much, but it does get the basic shape of the train all in. So I'm quite happy with that. And I also filled in all of the support card for the platforms. I may or may not do them in between videos, I haven't decided. And I have got the basic layout of the town done. And I have thought of what to put here. That's going to be a signal box, since this is where most of where all the points are. So yes. And I've got rough. Well, these are actually a bit more fixed. I want to say foundations for each of the buildings. These ones are a bit more looser. Of course, I didn't quite mess with them, but yeah. That's roughly where all the buildings will be. Won't put anything up on there because it'll be too high. I haven't put in the foundations for the castle since I want to basically make them a bit more sunken into the ground. So I've just left that as is. These roads are wider than they would actually be because the paths are going to be actually on where the black bit is. So yes, the roads will be, like I said, the roads will be done. Next video when I do all the grass. Platforms, I'll probably do it in between. For the switches, I will be buying some new ones. I have got them on Amazon at the moment. I just need to click the buy button and that will be all done. Like I said, the tunnel entrances I'll be 3D printing, so I need to design them and then 3D print them, and plus it gives me a little bit of practice of making buildings and stuff like that, and structures. But yeah, I don't think I can get anything which will be store-bought which will actually fit there. So yes, I will have to custom make them, and obviously the ones on the other side. But yeah, pretty much done really. I do need to tidy up a little bit of the platform on the goods yard, but yeah, getting there. Slowly but surely. But yeah, I'm probably just going to pop this underneath my bed and then give it a few, well, wait till I've got enough a bit of time and work on it then. Yeah. I know it's a bit basic, but oh well. I will be getting there slowly. Unfortunately, a lot of things have happened at home, so yes, this is as much as I can do at the moment. And I still haven't put in the the buffers in there. Oh well. I'm sure it won't be a problem later. But anyway. That's going to be it for me, so if you do like the video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and if you didn't like the video, well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. But yeah, I'm going to have a rest and put this away, so yeah. But next video, it should look a lot more better. I will get the platforms in, at least get all the platforms in, hopefully get a start on putting in the tunnel entrances, and hopefully replace these and get the wiring fixed. That's the main thing which I want to get done. But yes. Anyway, that's it for me, and I'll see you all again next time. So take care now. Bye bye.